everyone and a warm welcome to Supergrads. And today we will be discussing the most important topic, that is the selection criteria of IIM Bangalore for the year 2024 to 2026. That is for the CAT 2023 aspirants. This is for the batch 2024 to 2026. ऐसे ही हम और भी आईएम्स और बी स्कूल के सिलेक्शन क्राइटेरिया को अंडरस्टैंड करेंगे इन फ्यूचर. इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट that the aspirants who will be writing CAT in future, be it in 2024 or 2025, it is very important for us to understand कि किस IIM का क्या क्राइटेरिया होता है, किस चीज को ज्यादा वेटेज देते हैं, कैट स्कोर को कितना वेटेज देते हैं, एंड व्हाट शुड बी द आइडियल टारगेट if you are low in academics. So is that I am giving much preference to your academics or not? So let us start understanding that criteria from now onwards, so that it is easier for us to target the B schools in future. So without wasting any more time, let us get started and let us understand the selection criteria of IIM Bangalore. तो सबसे पहले the key points to remember over here is that the minimum overall CAT cutoff stays at 85 percentile. So 85 percentile is the minimum CAT cutoff. Then minimum cutoff for VARC is 80 percentile. Cutoff for QA and DILR has gone up. तो 2024 से लेके जो 2026 batch वाले students हैं who have been shortlisted, तो the DILR and QA cutoff has increased in IIM Bangalore. तो 75 से वो 80 जा चुका है, 80 percentile जा चुका है. अब एक बात यहाँ पे नोट करने की ये है कि वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द मिनिमम क्वालिफाइंग कट ऑफ. एज यू ऑल नो कि जो टॉप आईएम्स हैं, बीट आईएम अहमदाबाद, बैंगलोर, कैलकाटा, you need to target 98 or 99 percentile to get into these IIMs. Website पे it is mentioned minimum qualifying cutoff, but of course we know that if we are general category students, so we need to get a 98 or 99 percentile, and for engineers again 99 से नीचे तो कुछ भी नहीं चलेगा. Next, after removing the graduation marks component in 2022, Bangalore has re-added it in the pre-PI selection. So they will be considering your graduation marks, and they have given 10% weightage to your graduation marks. That is before the PI, your graduation marks would be considered. Weight for 10th and 12th marks has come down. So they have decreased the weight for pehle initially it was 15%, and now it is 10% each, as in 10% for 10th and 10% weightage is given to your 12th scores. Next, graduation marks have also reappeared in the post-PI shortlisting. So even if you are shortlisted for VAT PI process, so even after that, your graduation marks will be taken into consideration to get the final score. तो तब उसका जो weightage होगा वो 5% होगा. The weight of 10th and 12th marks has come down from 10 to 5. So for selection into VAT PI, the weight is 10% for 10th and 12th, and after PI जो score calculate होता है for final selection, that has come down from 10% to 5% over here. Next, candidates with more or equal 3 years of work experience as of July 2023 will be given maximum points for their work ex. तो वर्क एक्सपीरियंस जो है बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है, स्पेशली आई एम बैंगलोर में. सो ऑल द वर्क एक्स क्राउड ओवर देयर, it would be your chance to get into IIM Bangalore because they definitely give weightage to the work experience as well. So अगर मैं बात करूं कि कितना weightage होता है यहाँ पे, so in later rounds they will be deciding, they will be checking that in what field you were into, या किस सेक्टर में थे आप. So it is, so maximum evaluating points are given to the work experience over here in IIM Bangalore. Now, IIM Bangalore has also assigned 5% weight for gender diversity, but they do not have any weightage for academic diversity. तो यहाँ पे ये लोग maximum marks work को देते हैं, but यहाँ पे academic diversity का कोई ऐसा नहीं है कि if you are a non-engineer, so you're getting an additional point over here. So no such thing is there. It is mentioned in the website as well. So 5% for gender diversity, yes. So all the female aspirants or the female candidates out there, it is advantage for you guys. The weight for personal interview round as in the PI component has gone from 35 to 40% in 2023. तो जो 2023 के एस्पिरेंट्स थे, पीआई का जो वेटेज है वो इंक्रीज हो चुका है, 35 से 40% जा चुका है. सो मीन्स द पीआई विल बी वेरी इन्फ्लुएंशियल फॉर योर सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस. नेक्स्ट लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड द सिलेक्शन क्राइटेरिया. हम तीनों फेजेस को डिस्कस करेंगे अभी सिलेक्शन क्राइटेरिया में फॉर द 2024 टू 2026 बैच के लिए कैसा रहा है. सो नंबर वन, स्क्रीनिंग ऑफ कैंडिडेट्स ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ कैट 2023 मिनिमम कट ऑफ. सो मिनिमम कट ऑफ्स आर मेंशन्ड इन द वेबसाइट इटसेल्फ. तो कितना कट ऑफ गया है. सो जनरल कैटेगरी की अगर मैं बात करूं तो इट्स 80 फॉर VARC, 80 for DILR, 80 for QA, which overall comprises of 85 percentile. Now, as I mentioned before as well, this is the minimum qualifying cutoff, but we need to target a higher percentile if we are talking about the top IIMs. So we need to target 98 or 99 percentile if we are general candidates. OBC के लिए, NC OBC के लिए it's 70, 70, 70, which comprises to 75 overall. Then EWS, as in economically weaker sections, we have 70, 70, 70. Again, 75 है overall. SC के लिए we have 60, 60, 60, which comprises to 70. Then ST के लिए it's 55, 55 and 55, which comprises to 65 as the overall. PWD के लिए it's 50, 50 and 50, which comprises to an overall percentile of 60. So this is the percentile that we are talking about, the minimum qualifying percentile. तो ये हो गया phase 1. Now here you need to understand one thing, that just because you've met all the minimum cutoff, that does not mean that you will be shortlisted for the VAT PI round. It will completely depend on your CAT performance. Okay, as I mentioned कि 98 या 99 percentile हमें target लेके चलना पड़ेगा, as well as the other selection criteria will also be relevant over here to get into the second stage, that is the VAT PI stage. नेक्स्ट फेज 2 के बारे में थोड़ा समझ लेते हैं कि हाउ डू दे शॉर्टलिस्ट कैंडिडेट्स ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ वैट पीआई प्रोसेस, एज इन बेस्ड ऑन द वेटेड स्कोर. तो आपका कैट का स्कोर आ गया, अब आपको वैट पीआई का जो है प्रोसीजर, उसके लिए किन बेसिस या क्या पॉइंटर्स या व्हाट इज द कंसिडरेशन दैट इज टेकन इनटू पिक्चर. सो लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड दैट एज वेल. So here you are evaluated on the basis of your 10th, your CAT 2023 score, as in जो भी आपका CAT का score होगा उसके basis पे, then your 10th, 12th and graduation marks and your work experience. As I said, in IIM Bangalore, it plays a major role. Here you also have additional points for gender diversity, as we discussed in the first slide. 5% weightage is given. The table below, now here we will be segregating it. So CAT 2023 score को obviously you have maximum weightage, that is 55. 10th marks के लिए you have 10, 12th के लिए you have again 10, graduation marks is again 10, work experience के लिए you have 10, or any other professional course, as in if you're a CA, CS, तो professional courses के लिए भी you have points over here. Then gender diversity के लिए it is 5. Next, let us look into the sectional weightage as well. Again, an important criteria which is taken into picture for selecting you for the VAT PI round. So VARC में the weightage is 19, DILR में it's 21 and QA में it's 15. तो सबसे minimum जो दिया जाता है वो QA को दिया जाता है. So again, an advantage for those aspirants who are weak in QA, who feel कि नहीं यार मेरा क्वांट उतना स्ट्रांग नहीं है, मेरा मैथ्स इतना स्ट्रांग नहीं है, तो IIM बैंगलोर सिर्फ 15% वेटेज ही दे रहा है क्यूए को. मैक्सिमम इज गिवन टू VARC, BILR ओवर हियर एंड PRC ओवर हियर. नेक्स्ट लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड कि ये लोग वर्क एक्सपीरियंस का स्कोर कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं. सो वर्क एक्सपीरियंस इफ यू हैव बिटवीन 0 to 36 months, एज इन अगर 10 months का है या 6 months का वर्क एक्सपीरियंस है, 0 से लेके 36 months का अगर है, तो दे अप्लाई दिस पर्टिकुलर फॉर्मूला. एज इन 10 इनका जो इनिशियल रेंज है, दे विल बी मल्टीप्लाइंग इट विद द months of experience that you have, that is 10 into, suppose if you have 6 months of experience, and it will be divided with 36 over here. So that is the formula. Then if you have experience greater than or equal to 36 months, अगर 36 months का experience है या उससे ज़्यादा है, then you get 10 marks for that particular thing. उसके लिए कोई formula नहीं है. So you're getting 10 marks. Now here for work experience in months up to July 2023. So this is for the aspirants of CAT 2023 we are talking about कि July 2023 तक का work experience ही count किया जाता है. Beyond this, candidates with top 10 highest scores in CAT 2023 and amongst top 10 in CA, CS, ICWA, as I was talking about the professional courses, they will be automatically qualifying for the VAT PI round. They who have professional degree, they will automatically qualify for the VAT as in written ability test and personal interview round के लिए वो लोग automatically select होंगे. नेक्स्ट फेज थ्री कि फाइनली एडमिशन किस बेसिस पे दिया जाता है. लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड दैट. सो वंस द वैट पीआई प्रोसेस इज डन, इट्स फिनिश्ड, then you will be again evaluated based on set of selection criteria. So this is the selection criteria that we have. तब यहाँ पे कैट 2023 का जो स्कोर है वो 25 मार्क्स होगा. 10th मार्क्स को 5 मार्क्स देंगे ये. 12th को again 5, graduation again 5, it is equal as how it was 10 10 10 for VAT PI. So final में it has gone down as I mentioned, it is 5 5 5. Weighted work experience को again 10 marks are given, so huge role. सबसे ज्यादा जो criteria जो ये लोग check करते हैं that is the work experience criteria. VAT को as in after your VAT process is done, you will get marks out of 10 कि 10 में से आपको कितने marks मिल रहे हैं for VAT. And then for PI, as we mentioned, maximum weightage is given to your personal interview. So it is very important that how you are converting your personal interview, how you're presenting yourself out there. So maximum weightage is being given to the personal interview. आज इन सबसे ज्यादा मार्क्स इसी में इसको एलोकेट किए गए कि 40 में से आपको कितने मार्क्स मिलते हैं. नेक्स्ट एट दिस स्टेज पैनलिस्ट विल ऑल्सो वैल्यूएट द क्वालिटी ऑफ वर्क एक्सपीरियंस. अगर आपका वर्क एक्सपीरियंस है वेल एंड गुड, बट क्या क्वालिटी है, किस सेक्टर में है, सो दे विल बी ऑल्सो वैल्यूएटिंग दैट. To compute this, your work experience score from phase 1 will be scaled down to a maximum score of 5 and then multiplied with a quality score to arrive at the weighted score. So ये जो criteria है ये उनके website पे भी दिया हुआ है. So here what they are checking is that what was your sector. तो sector wise भी इन लोगों के कुछ criteria हैं which are mentioned कि you're from IT sector or from some other sector. So they are giving weightage as per that particular thing. Now, what does the selection criteria really mean? अब फाइनली हम इसको पूरा कंक्लूड कर लेते हैं कि आई एम बैंगलोर ने जो ये सिलेक्शन क्राइटेरिया रखा है उसका क्या मतलब है. तो विद 55% वेटेज, एज इन कैट में अगर वो 55% वेटेज दे रहे हैं इन द फर्स्ट फेज एंड 25 इन द सेकेंड फेज वाइल इवेल्युएटिंग फॉर द फाइनल सिलेक्शन, तो CAT continues to be amongst the most influential factors for your admission to IMB. So that means CAT में तो आपको बहुत अच्छा स्कोर लाना ही है if you want to get shortlisted for IIM Bangalore. Next, your graduation marks again will be influential in the admission process. तो admission process के time पे the graduation marks will play a major role over here. This means that at least 2 out of 3 academic criteria should be strong to have a fairly decent chance of making into IIM Bangalore. Grad marks are not segmented by graduation streams. तो कोई ऐसा नहीं है कि किसी graduation stream के वजह से segregated है. As we discuss कि यहाँ पे कोई academic diversity नहीं है, but your graduation marks should be great. मतलब आपका consistency अच्छा होना चाहिए. So then you have chances to convert IIM Bangalore. Next, within CAT, IIM Bangalore has also defined DILR performance greater than VARC. तो DILR में आपको बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म करना पड़ेगा if you want to get into IIM Bangalore. Then they give weightage to VARC and then less weightage is given to QA as we discussed in the previous slide. So this is the relief to all those aspirants out there who are weak in QA or who are weak in maths. तो सबसे minimum criteria जो है वो quant को देते हैं. Then this is applicable to both pre-PI and post-PI process. तो personal interview से पहले और personal interview के बाद criteria is the same only, it does not change. नेक्स्ट, इफ यू हैव 3 years और मोर वर्क एक्सपीरियंस, 3 साल और 3 साल से ज्यादा का वर्क एक्स है, तो आई एम बैंगलोर विथ रिवॉर्ड यू विद द मैक्सिमम पॉसिबल मार्क्स. सो दे विल गिव यू मैक्सिमम पॉसिबल मार्क्स फॉर योर वैट पी आर शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग. एज आई मेंशन कि वर्क एक्स को ये लोग बहुत ज्यादा कंसिडर करते हैं. देन योर क्वालिटी ऑफ वर्क विल बिकम important in the final shortlisting phase, as we discussed. Next, fifth, women will have a slight edge in the admission process. Reason being, gender diversity के लिए you have 5% weightage over here, but limited to only pre-PI shortlisting phase. So this is only limited to pre-PI and not post-PI. There continues to be no weightage for academic diversity. So यहाँ पे academic diversity का कोई weightage नहीं है. So be it your engineer, non-engineer, or from arts background, it doesn't matter over here. Okay, students, so that was all from my side with regards to the selection criteria that IIM Bangalore has. I hope now you might be clear कि क्या criteria सबसे ज़्यादा important होता है. We would be coming up with more such videos. We'll be coming up with Ahmedabad, Calcutta, Lucknow, and all the Blackies selection criteria as well for you guys to understand कि what is that target percentile that you need to take into consideration if you're writing CAT 2024 or CAT 2025. And for any, if you have any other doubts or any other queries, then do let us know in the comments below. Till then, stay tuned to Supergrads.